Okay, first things first, let's make this a little bit more interesting. Let's make a marquee, and then using generative fill, let's ask for hot air balloons in a summer sky. Once that's finished, let's pick one of these. That one looks good. I'm going to go into channels, create a new channel, and then make sure that my foreground color is round about 40% brightness. Let's fill the image with that foreground color. Over to the thumbnail for the new channel, press Ctrl or Command and click on the thumbnail, and that makes a selection. You can't see the selection because it's less than 50% opacity. Click OK. Back to the RGB image and onto layers, and then onto generative fill, and choose the style you want. In my case, I'm going for a cubism painting. 3 nice examples there. But hey, let's try something else while we're here. Using the same selection technique, let's create a Van Gogh painting. Oh, very nice.